The resignation of Sri Lanka's president has been accepted, the crisis-hit country's parliamentary speaker announced on Friday, after he fled the country earlier this week and notified him from Singapore that he was stepping down. He emailed in his resignation from Singapore after flying to the city-state from the Maldives, where he initially escaped after demonstrators overran his palace at the weekend. His departure came after months of protests over what critics said was his mismanagement of the island nation's economy, leading to severe hardships for its 22 million people. At a seafront boulevard that has served as the headquarters of the protest movement that ousted him, a small crowd gathered its remaining strength late on Thursday to celebrate his resignation. Hundreds of thousands of people had visited the Prime Minister's compound since it was opened to the public after he fled and his security guards backed down,